Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we take a rectangle and distance of okay. First we take rectangle, then this we take a line. This is the top view of this part. First we give a dimension. This width is 18 and so there are three images to explain the part, and its height is 80 mm. After we take a incline line and there is a step, then it go to um, how much distance, and this circle is tangent to this line. I will select both of them. Wait a minute, why it is not tangent? Okay, your line, I need to extend this line. I trim this. Now it is okay. Circle dia here, both circle dia. This dia is 60, another dia is 36. Take a line, connect this one, because that inclined line, that slope, that rib have 12 mm width. So I another body length up to 92 mm. So I draw a line and is connected to our circle. I will tangent this line to the circle. Now take a line, select this one and connect to the another point. This is 6 mm. This height is 12 mm and this is 18 mm. Now this length is 60 mm, and from circle center to this starting point line is 140 mm. This height from axis to slot, this height is 40 mm. Yeah. The distance is also 40. Now this our sketch is fully defined, and we take a exit. Now extrude command. How much extrude? This one total is 92. I will select the mid plane and distance 92. Okay, again select the sketch. This rib is 12 mm. always working on any design, any SolidWorks CATIA, you should follow the step. When you are extrude from one point, please always extrude the second point, third point. Don't bypass all the sketches and you extrude another point, because it may create a confusion. Select this one, this sketch, and this width is 54. Now okay, then again select the sketch, extrude, and this distance is 6 plus 18 plus 24 plus 24 plus 18. Use calculator. Hmm. 66. There are two ways. First, you can take 54. Another, you select 24, 18 plus 24. Maybe there is a distance is 54 plus 6 plus 6. It depends upon your calculation, how you can calculate, how you can think. You delete this region. Now select sketch, extrude, 18. Okay. Select this face, sketch. This distance is 18. Take a center line. This distance is 24. Now come out from sketch. Wait a minute. Okay, actually, extrude cut. It is through hole cut. Okay. Now this sketch is almost complete. There is a two hole and one two corner fillet is pending. Select the fillet command. Fillet is 16 mm. Select both corners. Now It is 16 mm hole wizard. Through we are using the through hole command. Circle die also 16. I select from here. Position 3D sketch. Now it is through hole. Okay.